So, itong soybean laboratory na to, isa sa mga buildings na kinolect ni Henry Ford kasi ano siya, very eager, supportive siya ng agricultural industry. Kasi 'di ba, nabuhay sila dun sa Great Depression. So that year, itong soybean industry ang isa sa mga pinromote niya talaga para makaahon daw yung mga Amerikano sa paghihirap during that time. Guys, ito yung yung childhood home ni Henry Ford. Yan.
Ford home. Henry Ford was born and raised in this farmhouse. Located a few miles northeast of where Greenfield Village is now located.
There's a lot of good memories in the home too to Henry. You know, he always tried to escape farm work by tinkering, and his mom gave him a few extra minutes. She was that kind of mom where she was like, oh, a few extra minutes, then you got to go back out to help your dad. He called her his champion. This house was built by his dad for his mom. They married here, she decorated it, she raised her kids here, she's the matron of the home. And so when she passed, Henry said that they all agreed that the house, that it never felt the same. It felt like a clock without the mainspring in it. It just wasn't working right. And so when he got the house back around 1919 to start renovating it, he had gotten it sooner, but he didn't actually start doing anything with it until 1919. He decided to take it back to 1876 for his mom. And it's one giant love letter to her, basically. He and his sister Margaret worked together, going off of their memories, tried to recall what furniture was in this room, what furniture was in that room, what photos were in here, what did mom have, what did the wallpaper look like. You know, there's wood flooring throughout most of the house, but what about the carpet in there, you know? So, like, they worked together to do that. And then eventually, later on around 1944 was when the house finally got moved here into the village by Henry. Henry passed away 3 years later.
So, ito na yung back door nila, guys. So, labas lang ako dito. Guys, dyan ako lumabas kanina. Tapos, ayan. Extra room. Guys, ito yung bahay ng Wright Brothers. Yan. Ito ang kanilang family home.
Father was a bishop of the United Brethren Church, but did a lot of church work traveling. So it wasn't a whole lot of time, but when he did come, he usually tried to bring gifts back to the kids. So he actually one time came back and got
Ito guys yung parang dirty kitchen ata nila or space. Ayun, nakalock kasi kaya hindi na kami nakapasok sa loob. Pero ayun yung nila. Sa kabila yung main dining area nila. Ito yung shed. Kuya, look that's the shed. Yeah. Guys, ito kami sa carousel. Guys, this is 1913 carousel. Guys, hilong-hilo na kami ni Papa Mike. Ayan, enjoy naman sila. Happy Ellie! Ito kami kay Thomas Edison na yan. Edison Network. Guys, na namin ngayon, round 2 na namin dito sa Greenfield Village kasi last time is nag-brown out. So ngayon ay aming second time na pumunta dito. So ngayon pa lang namin makikita yung mga buildings na ito yung kay Thomas Edison. So yeah, excited kami.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa machine shop ni Thomas Alva Edison. So, makikita nyo marami machines dyan. And itong mga tools na to ay nakatulong for him and sa industrial revolution in the US. Like yung pagkat or ayos ng mga metal sheets. And so, everything here helps para maging maayos and efficient yung mga tasks nila, especially on handling metals and yung pag-translate ng ideas ni Thomas Edison in terms of electrification.
Guys, so ito sa likod ko, ito yung replica ng Menlo Park Laboratory sa New Jersey ni Thomas Edison. Ayan. But there are also original parts na meron dyan. Let's go upstairs. Let's go there. Ellie, let's go. Kuya, you're ano?
So that's the last picture we have of Edison sitting in that chair in this room.
1929.
Sir, this is what we came here for, that chair. Guys, so pupunta ako dyan. So, ito ay ang boarding house, Sarah Jordan Boarding House. Ito yung mga staff ni Thomas Edison. Dito sila nakatira dati. Ayan. This is one of the first houses na nagkaroon ng kuryente sa buong mundo.
Chili had a plant 14 feet tall, yielding 12% rubber. Rubber prices fell before Edison had found a way to mechanically extract the rubber. In 1928, Ford moved the Fort Myers laboratory
Towards entrance? Thank you.
Weddings, yes. Company events, luncheons.
So guys, nakasakay na kami dito sa bus. Ito pala ay Model A, year 1931. So it's a nice experience. Ayan siya.
One more hour.